Hi, Rana here from Technical Executing Parliament. Today we will find how to get the unlimited leads from the SEMrush using SEMrush. For this purpose, go to make a free account and in the agency solutions, click on the lead finder. Here you can get the lead list. Just type the technology here like Shopify, WooCommerce, WordPress, anything, and then select the industry, click on the find leads. The SEMrush will give you the list, for example this one, lead list, and it has the one lead. So you can directly outreach the leads here by sending the automated SEO audit of this website. For example, hey, Wentworth Aircraft, I have noticed you have 3.7k visits and only 1.3k traffic. I have also noticed you don't have enough backlinks, so let's increase your authority score from 15 to etc. So you can also use the CRM of the SEMrush, add to the CRM, and it's kind of complete lead management system and lead generator. So you can use this for trial. It's free. After this, with the agency growth plan, you can get this 1000 leads per month. So try this with with free trial, and tap the like button, subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.